How to make money with Temu affiliate program. Hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll talk about Temu affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Temu affiliate program is, it's a digital marketplace designed to connect sellers and buyers, offering various opportunities for individual and business to earn income. Whether you are looking to sell physical products, digital goods, or services, Temu provides the tools and the resources necessary to help you succeed. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your web browser and dive into temu.com. So this is the website, and we have here a various products. You can select your favorite product if you want. Then if you want to be an affiliate partner, all you have to do is scrolling down and click over affiliate and influencer earn commission. This is the home page. You can get started to sign up, but before that we have to know some information about Temu. How to start with the Temu affiliate program. You can just join, share and earn. Also we have here some questions like what is Temu affiliate program and how does it work? What is Temu? Does Temu run any referral or affiliate programs? How do I qualify for this program? How do I sign up to the program? How does the Temu affiliate program work? How do I earn in the Temu affiliate program? How long does it take before I can withdraw commission rewards? You can just click over here and you get your answers for each question, as you can see. So then you can sign up. You can just click over join now and you write your email or phone number and click over continue. You can use also Google and Facebook apps or other options to sign up if you wanna. After your inscription, if people come to your link and they click on your link, first of all you will get commission whatever they buy, but they will get $100. So it's good for us and beginners that we can tell people you click on my link and you get $100. So that's very helpful to attract people. Also you can win a competition, you can get bonuses. So all you have to do, join, share and earn. So let's know some ways to earn money on Temu. We have first sell physical products. List and sell items such as handmade, crafts, apparel, electronics or home goods. Source products from suppliers or create your own to sell. Secondly, we have offering digital products. Sell digital goods like ebooks, software, online courses or digital art. Digital products have the advantage of no shipping cost and instant delivery. Third, we have providing services. Offer freelance services such as graphic design, writing, consulting, or virtual assistants. Create detailed service lessons with clear pricing and delivery time. Also, we have affiliate marketing, promote other stores' products, and earn commission and on sales generated through your referral links. Utilize social media, blogs, or email marketing to reach a broader audience. Finally, we have dropshipping. Set up a dropshipping businesses where you sell products without holding inventory. When you make a sale, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, allowing you to focus on marketing. Let's give you some examples for each way to earn money on Temu. First, we have selling physical products. Let's give an example by jewelry. For products, we have handcrafted bracelets, necklace, and earrings. For description, we have detailed descriptions, highlighting materials, craftsmanship, and unique designs. For image, we have high quality photos showing different angles and models wearing the jewelry. For pricing, we have competitive pricing based on material cost, time invested, and market demand. The second one, we have offering digital products. The example is online courses. For description, we have course syllabus, learning objectives and benefits for students. For product, we have courses on graphic design, coding, or personal development. For delivery, we have digital downloads or access through a learning management system. For pricing, we have one-time free or subscriptions based access to course materials. Third one, we have providing services. The example is freelance writing, as you can see. Service, we have content writing for blogs, websites, and marketing materials. For description, we have clear explanation of services, including topics covered, word count, and turnaround time. For pricing, we have per word or per project basis, with options for bulk orders or long-term contracts. The fourth one, we have affiliate marketing. The example here, we have teach gadgets. For product, we have promote smartphones, laptops, or accessories from other sellers. Method, we have share affiliate links on a teach blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Commission, we have earn a percentage of sales made through your referral links. For content, we have write reviews, unboxing, or how to guide to attract potential buyers. The last one, sorry, we have drop shopping. The example is home decor. We have for products, we have trendy home decor items like wall art, rugs, or lighting. Supplier, we have partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. Storefront, we have create a branded online store showcasing the product. For marketing, we have use social media ads, influencer partnership, and SEO to drive traffic to your store. Customer service, we have handle customer inquiries and manage orders while suppliers fulfill them. So making money on Temu is a valuable opportunity for anyone willing to invest time and effort into their online businesses. By following these steps and leveraging Temu's features, you can build a successful venture whether you are selling products, services, or promoting affiliate offers. Temu provides the tools and support needed to turn your entrepreneurial aspiration into reality. So all you have to know that people come to your link and they click on your link. First of all, you will get your commission, and also here will get $100 if start buy something with your link. So it's good for both for you and for a buyer also, because you get $100 and you get your commission. So the best solution is using social media and share your photos or for objects. Also Instagram and Pinterest by showing your pictures and photos and earn money. So this is it for this video guys, and I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.